In this video, you are going to see how to center text in a page in Google Docs, as you can see here. Let's get started. In Google Docs, there is no direct way to center text. To center text in a page, we can apply our trick. Let us go to Insert, go to Table and choose a 1 by 1 table. Let us select the table and keep your mouse cursor in the border of the table and increase its size roughly to the end of the page. Put it like this. Now let us add the text over here. Select it, go to the Align and Indent option and make it center alignment. Then in the right, go to Table option. Then go to Cell and choose here Middle. Then it will be in the center. But there is a problem. Here is the table border. So let us go to Color and go to table border, make it 0 point, and this is perfect. The text is in the center of the page. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.